welcome back to my channel where we focus on apartment tours on Tuesdays and Thursdays and something fun that I like on Saturdays. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get straight into it. We are touring the Quincy apartments, and let me tell you guys, like, apartments in the middle of the city are like such a vibe, But let's get into the next portion of this video. We're gonna look at the maps and we're gonna go downstairs and see where this place is at.
You guys know the drill. We're here to take a look and see exactly where this place is at. So this red pin is where the Quincy apartments are. They are located in downtown. Obviously, you're not far from Larimer Square. You're not far from any of the universities. There's also the community college down here. And then you're close to so many different restaurants. You're never going to be bored when it comes to eating dinner. And then you're also close to Coors Field. So if you're into baseball, that's definitely a plus for you.
Hi guys. Okay, so we are walking into the Quincy. Quick outfit of the day. I'm just gonna show you guys some different places and stuff like that, but it is a self-guided tour today, so it is gonna be better than the normal tours because I'm not gonna have to hide anything. I'm just gonna like go for it. This is the entrance right here. Let me show you. Okay, I just want you guys to know that it is freaking cold outside. I'm cold, okay? But I wanted to take you guys around and show you that the Quincy apartments are down the street from 16th Street Mall. Filming in public is always so awkward, but they have Modern Market. They have really yummy pizza there. They're fairly priced. They're pretty good if you've never been there. There's a nail salon right here. And then you have like a cafe here. And I'm pretty sure at night they turn the lights on so that the sign looks really good. And then you have the Courtyard Marriott here. And then of course you have a Starbucks. There's Starbucks all over in the city. So, I mean, like right next to the Quincy, it's literally just huge buildings, like you can see. There's a restaurant over there on the corner. I'm sorry if it's windy and you guys can't hear me. Another restaurant is opening here, 801 Fish, arriving early 2020. Oh, it's 2021. Looking around outside, they do have cameras and stuff, so I'm sure they're watching me, but they have like this whole lounging area. They have grills. They have a ping pong table over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a yoga studio, a massage room. Oh my god. Like they have a yoga studio here. Okay, so I need to do this really quick because there are other people touring and they literally came in and they were like, oh, I'll circle around, but she's doing an actual tour. Your kitchen is to your left. You have this big island, and as you can see, you can comfortably fit 3 chairs here, bar stools. It's a really pretty kind of countertop. I'm gonna say it's marble or granite. I'm not 100% sure. You have all this storage here, which is so nice. And then you have all the other storage here. You do have stainless steel appliances. And then you have a little nook over here. Super cute, pretty basic for the kitchen. I like this mirror. This looks good. And then going into the living room. This is the living room. You can fit like a normal size couch, or you can get like an L-shaped couch for the area. I like how they have the couch with the 2 chairs. I think this looks really nice. I think this is still a pretty big area for the living space. Looking out the window, I mean, you guys have a pretty awesome view. You're literally downtown, so that is like so awesome. And then going into the bedroom. King-size bed in the bedroom, and again you have obviously the same view because you're in the same unit, but I also really like this bedspread. I like the way they set this up. This looks good. And then you have a walk-in closet, which honestly, this is one of the best closets I've seen. It's not the biggest in size, but it's probably the best because of all of this like storage they have already in here for you. You have a coat closet here, a full-size washer and dryer right there. Have a pretty big bathroom with his and her sinks, and then you have a nice like shower tub, and I love the backsplash in here. It's so cute. We are touring another unit. Let's go check it out really quick. BRB. We're walking to find the other unit. It's 1022. Not sure what level, or I'm so dumb how far it is. I'm trying to find the apartment. So this is what the outside of the door looks like. Here's the front door, coat closet, full size. It's pretty big. Wow, they like keep storage or something in here. Full size washer and dryer. And then straight you have the master bedroom. King-size bed in here again. You get 2 really big windows, and then you can definitely put your king-size bed. You could definitely put a chair in the corner, a dresser with like a TV or whatever you would like to do. And then you do have a walk-in closet. Like, do you see what I mean? It literally looks like somebody's like living here, or they're like using this for storage or something. Again, with the like built-in shelves again, and I think this is really nice. It adds so much. It's so nice to have shelves. You do have the bathroom, which has his and her sinks, so you have a full-size vanity, and then you do have just a normal like bathtub shower situation, again with that same tiled backsplash. It looks really good. I like it. Okay, so going out of that room straight into the hallway to the left, you have the guest bathroom, or your roommate's bathroom. Just a normal size. That's a cool painting. You have the full size, well, normal size vanity with the mirror going all the way across, standard toilet, and then you have the same standing bathtub shower situation with the tiles. We have some shelves here that are built in. I think that is really nice. Anytime there's built-in shelves, you guys know I'm a sucker for it. In the second room, you still have a really big closet with a lot of shelves, so no worries there. Second room doesn't have a light in here. There's like a light switch, but nothing turns on and off. So there's not a light in here. Thank God there's one in the closet. You can fit a full or a queen size bed in here. And then you do have a view of the courtyard from this unit, but this is just a model one. So you are gonna have to have lamps or something in your second bedroom. And I'm not sure if all of the bedrooms are like that, but this one is. Here is the kitchen. Huge space for the kitchen. You can fit 4 bar stools across the island, which is really nice. Comfortably, that looks honestly really good. You have the same kind of countertops. I think they're marble or granite, not 100% sure, with stainless steel appliances and a lot of storage. What is this? Oh. Let's leave that closed. But yeah, this is the kitchen. I like the lights. I feel like this looks really good. It's a really nice apartment, especially this whole wall here is all just like windows. Yeah, that's totally my vibe. You guys already knew that though. Also the stainless steel appliances, but you do get this really pretty backsplash. It's like a gray. It feels a little dusty, but it's like a light gray. It looks really cute. And the tiles are a little bit smaller than what we're used to seeing. I feel like we're used to seeing the size tiles that are in the bathroom. You have room for honestly a big dining room table or a little one like this if you prefer that. And then honestly, I kind of like the vibe of the little table just because I feel like if you got a big one, that would just be a whole like extra section or a lot of extra space that you're taking up. In the living room, you have enough room for an L couch like they have here, a sectional rather, I guess you could call them, or you could do what they have with this and then put 2 chairs here. I think this looks really good. I really love this apartment. Like if I could afford to live here, I totally would. I'm not even sure of the prices yet. They haven't given me anything, so I have to get all of that information for you guys. You have room for a standard TV stand. Honestly, you have room for a really big TV stand. They, you know, filled the space with like a pot. They have lamps all over. Something I just noticed is there's no light. Let's see how many lights are in here. You don't have a light in that bedroom. In the actual bedroom area, there's no light. So thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video and coming and watching me do this apartment tour at the Quincy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe, become a member of my squad. Don't forget to like this video either so that I know and the algorithm knows that you like this video and you want to keep seeing more apartment tours from me. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.